Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shape. Circle, square, star, heart, triangle, pentagon, circle, square, star, heart, triangle, pentagon. Let's color it with this color, red color. This is red color circle. This is light green color square. This is sky blue color star. Sky blue color. This is purple color. Purple color. Heart shape. This is pink color. Pink color. Triangle. This is brown color. Pentagon. Brown color. Here kids, let's rewind once again. Circle, square, star, heart, triangle, pentagon. Thank you kids. Bye bye. See you in next video.